Let's use jQuery to build a UI application that can talk to a server and interact with it and be able to create data, retrieve data, update data, remove data. For the example, what we'll do is build a little application that allows you to create a library of movies. Okay. Let's see. Where we left off, it was this is actually the server. We don't want the server here. Let's see. Where do we have our code here? I think it's this one. There we go. So let's put it over here. Okay, so this is where we started playing around with jQuery. Let's create here in our web app, we'll create a file called movies. So we'll save this and we'll call it movies.html. And let's make sure that we are in the right place, movies.h1. And let's see, make sure that we can navigate there. So it'll be movies.html. There we go. So we're in the right HTML document. And let's see, we'll also start off with laying out what this might look like. Perhaps we might want to add here some styling. So let's bring the from the assignment we have several example libraries that we can use to bring in Bootstrap. Right, so let's copy that from there, so we don't have to start from scratch. Let's see. We gave you here some starting code where we can just bring about the library Bootstrap. So let's see. I'm looking for it. Bootstrap. There we go. I'm just going to copy the library. I'm also going to copy maybe font awesome in there. So I'll just paste it in there. Let's see. Probably paste it at the bottom. Actually, no. Let's paste that at the top. What else do we need? Let's see. Where'd my browser go? There we go. Let's bring also jQuery in there. So jQuery. Got too many test stuff. Let's bring jQuery there. There we go. And also we'll need a script of our own, and we'll call it maybe script. We'll call it how about just movies.js. Okay, in there we'll put all our JavaScript in there. We don't have that file, so let's add it. So let's also create another file, and this one we're going to save it as movies.js. Movies.js. And just to verify that indeed jQuery is installed, let's create here an ify statement, right? This is an immediately invoked functional expression. And in here, we're going to just create a function. We'll call it, say, main, right? And the main function is going to be invoked when jQuery is notified that the document has loaded, right? So main. So that's a shortcut for jQuery.ready. Well, no, jQuery document.ready, and then the function that you call it, right? So this register an event handler with the body, right? And the browser, when it gets to render the entire body, it notifies jQuery, and jQuery will kick off our main, right? So we'll do here maybe an alert that says, welcome to jQuery. So let's refresh, and there it is. So welcome to jQuery. So we know we are all set, right? jQuery is running on our browser. I can start manipulating the browser. All right. So what do we want to do here? Well, let's see. Let's go back to our HTML, and a couple of things we might want to style. make sure that we have maybe a container class around here, fluid. That's just going to add some padding on the left side and the right hand side, and avoid having this kind of flush with the left hand side, right hand side. So it adds just a little padding. It looks a little prettier.